So somebody here woke up with the energy to go ahead and get at it. But I need a little bit more preparation than that. So we're gonna get some breakfast going. And then we're gonna get to work. There was no update last night. We were tired. I'm sore today. Probably gonna take some Tylenol. And then we're gonna get on this. See you in a little bit. So today we're working on getting the counter area totally out of the kitchen space. So that means the sink has got to come out, the stove has got to come out, because we need to work on redoing that wall. And in order to do that, that's got to come out. All right, so for changing out the stove, on how to take care of this, down underneath here, there was a screw here. And then on this side, there was one here. One back here, and there was one over here, and another over here. And then I also had to undo these two gas lines where it feeds in and then feeds back out, and then main line over here.
Please make sure you close the gas line before you start undoing everything.
So one of the things is though, but before you start, no matter what, you have to make sure that your gas line is shut off. And mine is shut off at the propane tank. My propane tank's almost empty anyway, but it is shut off there. So no gas is running anywhere throughout the RV. You know, the valves had been opened up to make sure that there was nothing left in the lines either, while everything was able to be aired out. So that way you're not suddenly releasing gas into your face or doing something and cause any kind of sparks or anything like that. So power is totally shut off. Gas totally shut off. So any kind of ignition source is out of the question. Okay, you have to make sure, if you're going to try to do this stuff yourself, that you do it safely, which means everything is shut off, no ignition sources. If you don't know what you're doing, or you don't know how to do it or how to go about it, don't do it yourself. Have somebody else do it. If you have no clue how to turn off your gas, but you still want to do the work, have somebody come out and shut the gas off. If you don't know how to cut the power to your RV, have somebody cut the power off to where there's no power source whatsoever. Like my batteries are disconnected, unhooked. We're not hooked up to shore power. You know, there is no way for anything to happen right now. So as soon as I finish getting this last line out here, then it looks like everything is loose enough that we're going to be able to pull it out. See, everything is cleared out. Just got to pull the stove out. We should have it all unhooked now. Then we'll start working on the sink after that, as soon as we get the stove pulled out. Okay, so for part of our flooring, we have some bolts that come through the flooring for the extra seat belts that are throughout the RV. Some that were over in the dining area and some that were over here on the wall where the sofa was. Now I've got to take out those bolts, and as you can see, inside the bin, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 spots that we've got to undo in here. Yep, you gotta keep screwing it all the way, sir. All the way, sir. You might be able to start turning it by your hand. Yeah, go ahead and get, there you go. Now go ahead and start doing the other one. Pull, 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 pull.